everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create this cool macrame pattern that you can add to your wall hangings, plant hangers, or any other macrame artwork you would like. Let's get started. To begin, I've gone ahead and attached 3 ropes to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Our first step is to take the cord here on the far right and point it down diagonal to the left and tie 5 double half hitch knots around this rope. Now we're going to take the 2 cords here on the far right, and with these 2 cords we're going to tie 7 alternating half hitch knots. Just like that. Now take the 2 cords to the left of that and we're going to tie 4 alternating half hitch knots as before. Now take the cord on the far left, point it down and to the right, and tie 5 double half hitch knots around this rope. Take the 2 cords all the way on the far left and tie 7 alternating half hitch knots. Take the next 2 cords and tie 4 alternating half hitch knots. Tie another diagonal line of double half hitch knots. You can keep repeating this pattern until you've reached the desired length. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.